Hi everybody, we'll just be going through packaging buttons in this video, and I'll be using the code that I had from the previous project just so you get to know what we had and how things have changed. So shouldn't be very difficult to understand. It's a very basic piece of code, but if you I'll just show you what we had in the previous video. In the previous video, we just created frames and added a label to it, so you can check out that video, or I'll just be running it again if you want to see how it looks just as a reference frame. So have a look at this. Yeah, as you can see, we have a Python frame, a Tkinter frame, a TK on top, with a gray color and the label Pythonese. So that is a very basic frame. Now I'll remove these comments just so we can run the whole thing again. And upon running it, we should be able to see the button. Yeah, there you go. I'll just full screen it. And now we can see that a button is added with the text click me, and the function that the button should do is it should shut down the whole project or the whole take into frame and take us back to square one where we can run it again. So first of all, let's see what it does upon hovering. You can see that it basically gets a lighter color, and that's just to show that yes, we are hovering on it rather than just being static like this label right here. So that's basically a difference between both of them. And now I'll run it, and upon running it, you can see that the whole project shuts down and we're back on the square one with the run statement ready and our take into frame collapsed. So that's basically a very simple introduction to take into frames, and hopefully it clears up any doubts or any new thing that you wanted to learn about Tkinter. And subscribe to us, like our video, and stay tuned for the videos. Thanks a lot.